clips are coming off. 1, 2. Make sure the batteries disconnect, because if you don't and you start with this, well, it will probably blast you in your face. So don't do that. Yeah, the airbag will come out and it'll blast you in your face, and you're not gonna have a good day or very nice teeth after that. That's the middle. We're gonna save this for the new steering wheel. Next thing we're gonna do is we got some screws here, everywhere. We're gonna pull that off so we can get all these little buttons and electronics in, and we can get a little further to all the other clips. So get these out of the way. You can probably start with the silver ones. It looks like they're overlapping these black ones. So that pops off. Got another one of these bad boys. Pull, pry. There you go. So another trim piece off. Steering wheel's out. We're gonna search for that screw, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw over all these trim pieces into the other steering wheel. We'll throw it all back in after that. This can also come off. Luckily, I got this with the trim already in the back, so I don't gotta mess with this. But like I said, I lost a screw earlier, so we gotta go search for it. So typically, you take this harness. If you bought another one, you would take this harness and you would throw it on here. I actually bought this used, so I'm assuming that the guy didn't need it anymore. You would take this harness, you would swap it over, throw everything back on, but since we already got stuff, I'll just take the trim and throw it on the other one. Now, he did send me this different color. What are you thinking? Which one you like better? The darker or the lighter? Darker? Yeah. Yeah. Right. So that means we got to pull these bad boys out. And so let's get this ugly beat up one out of the way. Pull this out of the way as well. So let's line this up so I don't get this this right here. Reverse steps. There are these two little holes in here. Obviously they're going to line up with this thing. You just want to make sure they're in the right position, because the threads here need to line up with that. So we got this thing about straight away. You might want to turn it just a little bit. Thread the airbag back to the top. Shimmy it a little bit. And that looks just about right. This can get put back in here. And then this bolt's gonna go back in as well. Back to this bad boy here. It's pretty simple. Black to black. Yellow to yellow. And red to red. Put that in. And just kind of tuck the wires in so they're not getting all cramped up and smashed. Go ahead and pop that back in. 1 clip, 2 clip. You got yourself a brand new steering wheel.